Today we will discuss about the nomenclature of fused heterocyclic compound. Here is some example. This is the structure of purine and this is the IPC name of purine. And in IPC name we can see that in big bracket 45D is written. So why and from where 45E is came and why D is written. So there are so many question arises, like in another example in allopurinol, in IPC name we can see that D is written. So why 34, why D is written? So we will discuss today in this video how we can write the IPC name of fused heterocyclic compounds. Let's start. In this fused ring we can see here that one pyridine ring is fused and one is pyrrole ring is fused. So for the nomenclature of fused heterocyclic ring, we have to decide which ring is a major ring and which is a substituted ring. Substituted ring means minor ring and basic rings means major ring. So we will discuss in detail of different rules later in this video by which we can decide basic ring and substituted ring. We have to numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for substituent ring and ABC. ABC is written in the major ring or you can see basic ring. Where is A is written? This is the number 1 and this is the number 2 atom in this ring. So between 1 and 2 we have to write A, and between 2 and 3 we have to write B, and so on, like this is a C between 3 and 4 and D and E. So we have to write A, B, C, D in basic ring or we can say in major ring, and we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in substituent ring. The structure of the IPC name will be, first we have to write the name of the substituent ring, then number of the atoms which is involved in fusing. So we have to write name of the pyrrole ring. So pyrrolo, we have to write the pyrrolo, and then numbering 2, 3, 2, 3 atom of the pyrrole ring. This bond is involved in the fusion. And then we have to write B. B bond of basic ring. B bond of basic ring is involved in fusion. So we have to write B and then pyridine, name of the basic ring. So the IPC name of this fused heterocyclic ring will be pyrrolo 2,3-B pyridine. Now we can see the another example. In this fused ring, pyridine ring, again pyridine ring and pyrrole ring is fused, and pyridine is a basic ring and substituent ring is pyrrole. So what will be the IPC name? Pyrrolo 3,2, 3 and 2 atoms, number 3 and 2 atoms is involved in fusing, so 3,2, and C bond of the basic ring is involved, and the name of the basic ring is pyridine. So here one question is arises, why 3,2? Why we have not written the 2, 3? So for answering this, we can see that the direction of ABC is like this direction of this. So which atom of the substituent ring came first? So this is 3 and then come into the 2. the first 3 and 2. So we have to write 3 and 2, not 2, 3. So the numbering is decided on the basis of the direction of the basic ring. Another example, in this case, the pyridine ring and pyrrole ring is fused together, and the IPC name of this fused ring is 5-chloro-3-methyl pyrrolo 2,3-B pyridine. The numbering of the whole fuse system is not same as the number in the square bracket. In this case, we can see that in square bracket 2, 3 is written because the 2, 3 position of the pyrrole ring is fused to the B bond of the pyridine ring. But chloro and methyl group present in the 5 position and 3 position of the whole fused system. So the numbering of chloro and 3 is dependent on the numbering of that fused ring. These are the some rules by which we can select the basic rings, and the detail of these rules is given in the second part of this video, and the link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.